Hello guys, again welcome back to my video channel on YouTube. And today's it was still January, cold and winter here in Canada. uh, that's why my hat, because it's cold in my shop and got my garage. But a little bit time to do something uh, regarding my steamer, my steam box. What I was long time to thinking about, now is some time to get some improvement. What I want to do today is to do a little bit about and talk about the pressure when I am building steam inside the box. And as we know, when I seal the door, okay, there is build up pressure. Now what I don't know, how big pressure is in. That's what I want to know. How to know what big pressure is in to install the gauge, pressure gauge. Okay, so I bought a low pressure gauge, and I had already preparation here for the gauge, but was not working before. Okay, now my pressure gauge is the 2.5-inch oval glycerin, which means that the handle or the reader is here inside the glycerin like oil. Okay, so we have the from 0 to 60 psi. I don't expect larger volume of pressure inside the steam box than 50. No, even no, that not that much inside the box. Okay, so but to know for sure, I would like to install it here. Okay, so that's going to be my today's small project. Why I was thinking that to know pressure is good to, because when I know the pressure and I measure the volume of the box, that I can increase pressure or release pressure, depends. And I assuming more pressure, shorter time to steam, less energy consuming the propane tank and so on. Okay, so uh, pressure is quite important. Also, it will affect the wood. How to more pressure in the wood, probably easier to bend the wood. That we will check in my next step when I will bend again a few pieces. So, all right, this is coming. So you'll see. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, all right. Let me take the old Teflon tape out. Remove everything here and check if there is the hole inside the box. I believe it is. Okay, it looks like piece of metal or wood sticking, so to prevent to get the steam getting out. Insulation, see if I am able to. Yeah, it looks like wood. No, better I'm gonna use my drill. By the way, thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for your comments, even negatives. Gives me pep, gives me good motion, think, and good motion to how to improve my work. Okay, so thank you very much for advices and for your comments, and of course for subscription. Oh yeah, this looks like rubber. Yeah. Okay. Seems like yes. Seems like simple thing to put it in. Of course I need to, oh no, kind of loose. Why? I can put the Teflon tape around, but it's, I don't know if that will be enough. I think the size of thread are a little different. So what we do, okay, now I know why was the rubber plug here, rubber plug with a small hole. That was a washer, kind of washer. So I'm going to put a washer between the bottom of the gauge and between the bottom of that nut, and keep just the opening for the little hole and a little hole down in the nut. Okay guys, I found something which is my old belt I used for honing my chisels. So that leather can be used as a washer. I know somehow, as the leather was used hundreds of years as a tie and seal. It's a natural flexibility, natural material, and it's really good. This, assuming this is the pork, or yeah, this is the pork leather, and for sure it's good for washers. Now I'm gonna cut the proper size diameter, but before I drill the hole to make the same hole here and here, uh, so that will be pretty good enough for my washer. Yeah, I hope it's not artificial leather, but doesn't feel like artificial leather. Okay, the hole is alright. That will be only big enough like that. You know what, maybe I just cut it around like this. One cut. Okay, this is square, we want round. Yeah, nice. Fit. Wow. Okay, let's put it inside that nut. I don't need camera, I need light. Sorry. Can you light it here for me? Thank you. you know, maybe too big, quite big. So okay, smaller it out around. uh, it's better to have it accurate, not tight, so when it's pressure then compress and clog my hole. So that's why I prefer to have it exact size, not bigger. So this is the size for my washer. Okay, now here, I don't think it matter which way I put it. It doesn't matter. Okay, let's put it in. Light up, please. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, this part is done. So next will be Teflon tape. Ah, so tiny. Again, I don't want to put over because that might clog my little hole here. So just put enough all around. Because I remember it was pretty loose when I screwed it in the nut on the steam box. Better. Haha. You know what happened? It happened that the screw on gauge is not long enough. It doesn't reach the bottom with my washer. Okay, and also need more Teflon tape. What I'm gonna do double or triple washer. Okay, so I made another two pieces washer. So I put them together, clear, make the clear opening inside in the middle, and put it like three on them, three on each. This one is in. Okay, let me push. Okay, I can feel I reached the bottom, the washer. Now apply a little bit pressure. Now it's up to me. Make one more turn or leave it like that. You know, I leave it like that because if I go around and I won't be able to go 360 degree, then I'm stuck. Then I will have to watch from probably other side. Okay, that's for now everything. And yeah, hopefully that will improve and get some benefit of my steam box. We'll see it for in the next time when I process blending and steaming. And thank you again for watching, and yeah, you can do this, which is thumb and subscribe. Thank you very much.